welcome back to my channel Raising Health, and I'm Colleen the coach. Okay guys, I've got so much going on at the moment and I'm so super excited because I'm moving home in literally, I hope, 6 days time. In America, things don't always go smoothly as we would like it to be. There are so many moving parts involved, but I'm packed. The only little bit of order that is going on is right here behind me so that I could make it at least look a little bit decent for you guys. Yeah, so excited. Yesterday we went, because the new area is about an hour and 10-minute drive. So yesterday we took all our plants to a friend so she could look after them for us. Oh my goodness, it's so exciting. But I would not allow, oopsie, I didn't think I was going to show you this little puppy, but this is my African violet, guys. Honestly, I think I've told you this before. If you don't know, I found this African violet in a shop here down the road, and it literally had 5 leaves, and it wasn't, you know, there was only like one African violet and no one had actually like looked after it. So of course I had to get it because I'm in South African. I kid you not, I have never in my life, this African violet is spectacular, honestly. It is my pride and joy at the moment, my African sister. Okay, so that's my African violet. And this book, oh, I'm so happy because I've started growing all my herbs, but I'm already growing a whole batch of herbs. I'm not even going to tell you much about it because last year I went all out and I planted all my herbs and my veggies, and the woodchuck came along and demolished the lot. So this year in the new house, I'm going to just concentrate on a couple of herbs, especially like some of the herbs that are like deer repellents and that kind of thing. So my seedlings are like literally this size now. So I've got that all going in another room, despite all the boxes everywhere. So enough about me. And so I'm just very excited. I'm going to be embarking on this brand spanking new journey. I'm a bit nervous, but I'm totally into this. And yeah, this is the very, very last video I'm going to be doing in this kitchen. I cannot believe it. Like, oh my goodness, when I decided to start a YouTube channel about, I think it must have been about 6 months or so ago, I was thinking to myself, what are you doing, girl? But you know, I was waiting for my green card and I had time to kill and I couldn't earn any dollars. So I decided to put my time to good use and start a teaching channel so that I could teach you how to eat right for life. And about that, I'm going to ask you, if you have not subscribed, please press the subscribe button. It's so crazy, this YouTube business. I mean, yesterday I went onto Facebook and I said, hey guys, please, if you haven't subscribed, please won't you subscribe? I'm really trying to build a little business here and a teaching channel. And I lost a person. Someone obviously went, and unsubscribed. So then I had to, but anyway, I managed to get 2 people, and thank you to Lee and to Helen. You guys rock. Okay guys, let me get the show on the road because last month I introduced my first episode called Dining In. Okay, and I started this Dining In because I read an article and it kind of makes a lot of sense to me from the experience I've had with certain people. And there is a massive drive for our younger generations, our millennials and our Gen Zs. They are on a mission to dine in because they are conscious about the food that they eat, or they're trying to be conscious about the food that they eat. They're trying to be healthier, and they're connecting, you know, they're connecting with their friends and family, and they are sharing their meals. And I love this. Like, for me, when I hear this kind of stuff going on, this is music to my ears because I'm on a mission to teach you. So then I thought to myself, hang on a second, how can I teach you how to eat right and still enjoy the company of your friends and family and connect with them? So last month I did my first video called Dining In, and I really hope you guys have enjoyed it, or you've at least tried it. I'm going to put it in the content below so that you can also just visit that one, and I highly recommend it. I did a nice cauliflower soup, a 90-second bread, and we ended off with some avocado chocolate mousse. Seriously guys, in fact I actually made the avocado chocolate mousse video last week. You'll probably be able to go into it and watch it as well. So guys, this week I am doing brunch. We are going to do a low carb brunch, okay? So dining in means setting a date. Okay, so if you're watching this video and you've got this far, you are into this, okay? So just quickly pause and look at your calendar and seriously pick a date, okay? I'm sure you have someone in mind. Seriously, guys, you know, it's how many of your friends do you think, oh my goodness, I should really connect with so-and-so, I haven't seen them for so long, blah, blah, blah. We do that all the time, don't we? Okay, so now make a commitment, okay? Find that friend and send them a text and ask them to save the date because you are inviting them to a low-carb brunch at your house. And seriously, you are going to go all out. This is so super easy, guys. Seriously, it is. But I just want to share something with you first, okay? So the reason why I chose this particular menu for today is because I wanted to share with you the difference between a conventional breakfast, and now I'm talking about sugar. I'm going to explain to you what a conventional breakfast, let's say you go to a B&B or a hotel and you get offered a breakfast. 90% of the time, if you haven't specified what type of breakfast you'd like to have, this is what you're going to get, okay? I'm not a calorie counter, okay? So, but I am going to give you the calories because I'm going to show you in a second why, okay? So, we're in the hotel and breakfast is served and this is what you are going to be having, okay? Excuse me, guys, I'm going to have to read this because if I don't, I might stuff it up. And then if I stuff it up, you are going to get all the incorrect information. I'm not that smart. Okay, so guys, we've got a conventional breakfast and we are going to have 60 grams of supposedly healthy muesli, okay? You know how much that amounts to in sugar? 10.5 teaspoons of sugar. So a little bit of muesli, processed muesli, that you would get from the supermarket. Most of the time you think it's healthy, but I can tell you guys you're looking at 10.5 teaspoons of sugar. Okay, then you're probably going to take another teaspoon of sugar to sweeten it, okay? Then you're going to have 175 grams of low-fat fruit yogurt. Guess what, guys? That is 6 teaspoons of sugar. And you know, I'm very anti-sugar around here. So that's very traumatic. I just can't actually even get my head around this because listen to this: 200 mils of freshly squeezed orange juice, fresh orange juice. That is another 6.5 teaspoons of sugar. Okay, then you're going to throw in a slice of bread. That is another 4 teaspoons of sugar. Okay, then you're going to have a bit of marmalade on your toast. Okay, then it's another 3.3. Okay, guys, listen to this very, 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 very carefully, okay? You would have had 592 calories, okay? And this amounts to 125 grams of carbs, which amounts to 31.3 teaspoons of sugar, okay? Park that. Horrible, horrible, horrible. Okay, so now, for dining in, so now listen guys, maybe even have a friend who has been talking to you about trying to perhaps lose a bit of weight or maybe just feel healthier. Maybe they just got a few health conditions and they really just want to feel better. Please invite them. They would really benefit from this, okay? So guys, now I'm going to explain to you what the breakfast that I am proposing, okay? I'm going to tell you what that consists of. Okay, so we're going to have 2 eggs. We're going to make a 2-egg omelette, and that amounts to 0 carbs, which means 0 teaspoons of sugar. We're going to have 3 rashers of bacon, okay, which amounts to 2 carbs or half a teaspoon of sugar. For example, if you don't eat meat like myself, just leave it out. You just save yourself half a teaspoon of sugar, okay? Then you're going to have 4 cherry tomatoes, which amounts to 0.25 teaspoons of sugar. You're going to have a tablespoon of butter. Now, that's quite a lot of butter, guys. Okay, so I'm just saying that amounts to no sugar. Okay, then we're going to have a 1/4 avocado. Okay, that's going to amount to 1 teaspoon of sugar. A 1/4 avo, 1 teaspoon of sugar. And then we're going to have some coffee, and you're going to have a bit of pouring cream, and that is going to sugar-free pouring cream, and that is going to amount to 1.25 teaspoons of sugar. Guys, are you ready for this? Okay, same total calories, 592 calories, right? Okay, 12 grams of carbs and 3 teaspoons of sugar. Guys, honestly and truly, I've got a list of eat freely vegetables. I haven't incorporated that into this equation because I just wanted you to see this like it is, for what it is, okay? So in your brunch, I'm also going to give you some veggies to have so that you can incorporate that into your meal. Seriously, I'm going to also encourage that we do a bowl of strawberries. Okay, so guys, I encourage you, get the breakfast out. Get the family over, brunch. The reason I say brunch is I promote intermittent fasting. So normally brunch would be around 11, which is absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. And you know, honestly and truly, make an effort. Like, you know, if you have a little outside area, or perhaps you're in an apartment and you just got a little porch or a balcony, or you have a little deck, or perhaps you just have a little garden, and you can certainly make this a lovely, quaint little experience for your family, guys. Honestly and truly, it is amazing. You know, bring out the jugs of water, bring out the mints. Honestly and truly, there are so many ways you can also just release your creative juices. You know, go into the garden, get some flowers, pick some herbs, whatever works for you, you know, whatever is your type of theme, you know, but make an effort and make it special. Put on some lovely jazz, coffee cafe music, get the coffee machine going, get the smells going through the house, get out your essential oils. I highly recommend lemon for this. Lemon essential oil, get your diffuser out. You know, the freshness of the morning is just too much for my brain to even comprehend. Guys, I get excited about this kind of stuff because I want you to be living your best life. I want you to feel great. I want you to be entertaining your friends, and I want you to feel, oh, so superb and just so motivated to be the best version of yourself. Guys, I honestly hope you do this, and I'm really going to be coming to you every month with a new idea on how to dine in, okay, with food that you can trust and really and truly connect. Guys, when I move to my new premises, I'm really hoping I can really showcase this particular theme so much better for you, because I am so super excited. So guys, if you have any friends or family who you think would benefit from a channel like this, a teaching channel trying to teach you how to eat right for life, I'm committed and passionate about food. I love food. I'm not a chef. I'm just a health coach who is here to teach you how to eat right and honestly live your best life, and just teach and share all my knowledge with you, and then hopefully you can go and teach it with your friends and family and work colleagues, etc, etc. So again, guys, please push the subscribe button if you've enjoyed this channel, if you've enjoyed this video, and share it on, and just comment, do whatever. I love connecting with you. So guys, if you're into a low carb, high protein breakfast, and another tip as well, guys, protein is a great brunch. I can assure you, if you are looking to lose a little bit of weight, honestly, a high protein brunch is the way to go. You will not ever be sorry. You will only benefit over and over and over again. So guys, just go for it. And you know, the protein also satisfies you, which means you're not going to be spending the entire day looking for calories that you do not need, because you are going to be satisfied. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. All the information regards the dining in is going to be in the content below. And I really want you to go out there, and don't forget to send an invitation. Make an effort, you know, make an effort. You can do it by hand. You know, go to the post office and post it. I mean, how amazing to get an invitation through the post, through the mail. Sorry, I'm in America. Guys, I'm going to go now. I'm going to love and leave you, and have a fabulous, fabulous week. And I want to hear about this, okay? Promise me you're going to do this, and let me know how it goes. Thanks, guys.